Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this Levumo necklace. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, it comes in a cute little blue box like this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box now. So inside the box, you do get a few things. So first, here is the necklace. It is inside of here. Look at the nice like royal blue color box. Very, very nice. All right, I just opened it up. As you can see, it's a necklace and it is protected by this film right here. Let me give you a closer look. You also get a little gift bag. So if in case you are gifting it to someone, a gift bag is included. Next, you get some care tips in here. You get a cute little card. So you go ahead and write on it. This is the other side of it. So when you fold it, the little heart does pop up. Look at that. On the back here, does say love, love. And then here you do get the GRA certificate. So I'm going to go ahead and take the necklace out of the package just so we could take a closer look to see what it looks like. Okay, I wanted to give you a closer look on this beautiful necklace. I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in. This piece is crafted with a 1 carat premium moissanite diamond. It is 925 sterling silver. So this necklace has a delicate rose, a sparkling heart, and a 1 carat moissanite stone. So you can see it is nice and shiny in the middle. And if you take a closer look, this is a double heart design. It is a heart on the outer part and it has a heart in the middle section. Wanted to go ahead and flip it to the back just to give you a closer look on that. As you can see, it is stamped right there, 925. You could see such a beautiful necklace, and the gold plating just makes it look very, very nice and fancy. The chain itself, it is nice and dainty, very delicate, super thin, petite chain. So here's the necklace. This is a closer look at what the necklace looks like. I went ahead and put it on one of the last little hooks so I could give you an idea of what the length actually looks like. But this is such a beautiful dainty necklace. This is perfect for a gift, either for yourself or for a loved one. So if you've been looking for a nice necklace, then definitely check this one out. There also is other variety of color options available. I'll go ahead and link it down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.